And guys, snack tayo guys. Banana with egg and flour. Anong tawag ba ito? Maroya guys. Maroya. Maroya na. Yan, maroya to guys. Nilagyan ko to ng milk. Ito. Fresh milk. Yan, ito ang nilalagay ko guys. Nilalagyan ko to ng flour, all-purpose flour guys. Ayan. Tsaka, nilagyan ko ng egg. Ayan. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Guys, namamalat yung yung leeg ko. Ayan, namamaos ako. Ayan. Thank you so much. Let's eat guys. Thank you for watching. Masarap to guys. Diyos ko. Promise talaga. Bye.